Hey, my friend Akram here from ClickFunnels Tech Support. So what I'm doing right now is I just went to the email you sent him, which is tafakasu.com, and when I click on it, it takes me to this page. So I'm gonna just go ahead and test it for you. So this is the first page, which is what you have on your funnel, this one. So the second page is where you have this Comicia Subito thing. So if I click on this and I put in my details like this, and I click on this like this, it takes me to a person's page that doesn't look like you. I don't know if it's you, but it looks like Comicia Subito. Okay, maybe it's you. So Comicia Subito, right? Business Italia. I'm just gonna open this page and then we can see how it looks like. Okay, so it's your page. Let me translate. So you see when I open it, it's actually your page. Do you see? The same thing, the same thing. Okay, there's a difference. This one has Facebook stuff, Instagram, and yours, it looks like you deleted all of those things. Okay, so first thing you have to do is go into the editor. So let's test this to make sure to make some changes. Okay, this can be one of the reasons why you're having that problem. So take this off and put it on a notepad and then save and then test your page again. Okay, so take off the code, save, test your page again. That's the first thing I want you to do. Second thing I want you to do is to go to settings, click on integration, click on HTML form, select this existing form, click on pause and save web form. It will show you connected. Go out and click on save, give it 10 seconds, 20 seconds, come back and remove that integration you had just created. Go out and click on save. This will reset this page and you shouldn't be seeing any of those things again. If you have removed the code under the footer and you have tested it like that and it doesn't work, then go to this gear icon and rename this. So you can just take out the 0 and put in 1, 2, and then scroll down and click on update page and then test your funnel again and it should work. Okay, so let me know when you've done those three things, and I look forward to hearing from you. Bye for now.